So let's make a mindfulness sensory jars. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So first thing first, you need a clean glass jar for that. Okay. So keep this with you, closer to you. And now you're going to fill halfway your glass jar with cold water. So this is a cold water. So please put your water and just fill it halfway. Okay, that's good. Keep it back. Awesome. Now we are going to add a good amount of glue. The more you add, the slower the contents will swirl around. So let's add the glue. Yes, looking good. Beautiful. Yes, are you enjoying this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep the glue away. Carefully just put it away. That's a good job. Awesome. Now we are going to add some glitters to this. Okay, so let's add some color to this. So which color you want to choose? The green one? Okay, let's go ahead and put that. Now if you want to add more glitter to your jar, you can add it. Do you want to add it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can take this one, glitter glue. Nice. Okay, carefully keep it back. Do you want to add any more glitter color to this? Okay, which one? Okay, go ahead and do it. Oh, beautiful. Okay, great. Let's keep it away. This. Okay, and now what we're going to do, we are going to fill the water. So we are going to just fill the water in this. Yes, and we're going to cover it. Oh, that's beautiful. Glass away. Great. And we can close this now. So just close the lid tight enough. Okay. And now you're going to swirl it around. Shake it. Yes. Keep it. Does this look beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah. See how beautiful it looks? Wow. That's awesome. I love it. Nice. Wow. Okay. So now let's do a little mindfulness activity with our jar, right? So you're going to swirl the jar upside down 5 times. Yeah. 1, 2,
3,
4, and 5. Okay. Now you're going to keep this glitter jar and imagine that these glitters are like your thoughts, right? We have so many thoughts going on, right? Do you agree? Because when we are stressed or we are mad or we are upset, we have lots of thoughts going on, right? When you are moving this jar just like this, do you see that it's so hard to see anything clearly?
Yeah.
Right? So now keep it. It's a similar way, you know, when we are stressed, when we have lots of thoughts going on in our head, we cannot think clearly. We can make silly decisions, right? When we are upset because we are not thinking clearly that time. But don't worry, this is normal and it happens with adults also. So now do you see this glitter settling in? Now watch what happens when the jar is still. Yeah, what do you see when the jar is still? Keep watching.
The glitter starts to settle and sink to the bottom.
Right, and the water is more clearer now. Do you notice that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So our mind works the same way, you know. When you are calm for a little while, because when we breathe, when we relax, we can think more clearly. So your thoughts start to settle and you start to see things much more clearer, right? And deep breaths during this process can help you settle when we feel a lot of emotion. So let's take 3 deep breaths together. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. One more. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Do you feel more relaxed and calmer? Okay, good. Did you enjoy making your sensory jar today?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Awesome.